Hello to everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from vectors of 12th class, and the question is if magnitude of vector A equals to 3, magnitude of vector B equals to 4, and the angle between vector A and vector B is 120 degrees, then find the value of magnitude of 4A vector 4 vector A plus 3 vector B. This we have to find, the value of this we have to find. So here what are given the magnitude of A is given, vector A is given 3, magnitude of vector B is given 4. Okay, so we have a formula. What is that? Vector A dot vector B is equals to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta, right? Which is equals to, this is 3 into, it is 4 into cos of 120 degree. So how to find cos 120 degree? Cos of 90 degree plus 30 degree means 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 is second quadrant, and here 90 is there, so the trigonometry ratio changes to sine, and in the second quadrant cos is negative, so minus sine 30 degrees, which is equals to minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 into 4 into cos, sorry, cos 120 value only minus 1 by 2, no? Then 2 in 4 2 times, so 3 into 2 into minus 1, which is equals to minus 6, right? Next, what is asked? Magnitude of 4A vector plus 3 vector B equals to how much they asked. Actually, what is, how to find the magnitude of a vector? Root of I square coefficients of all the ijk squares, and we have to add. So this also can be written as 4 vector A plus 3 vector B into 4 vector A plus 3 vector B. We can write in this way or not. That's it. Okay, so why we did this? Actually, we are doing always here. So for example, we are having I plus 2j plus 3k, like that is there. So how to find the magnitude for this? Root of I coefficient 1 plus means 1 square plus j coefficient 2 square plus k coefficient 3 square, which is equals to root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 root 14, right? But here it is asked magnitude of this. So if you multiply these two, you will get what? You will get root of 4a vector plus 3 vector b whole square. Then this both cancel and you will get the same question, same thing you have, which is given to be finded. Okay, so for this what we can do? A plus b into a plus b. What you will get? 16 vector a magnitude vector a square plus 4a vector 3b vector means 12 vector a into vector b plus again 12 vector a into vector b. At last you will get 9 vector b magnitude square, which is equals to root of 16 a square plus 9 vector b magnitude square plus 12 is 24 into vector a dot vector b, which is equals to root of this. What is given? 3 is given, so 3 square plus 9 into b, magnitude of b is given 4, so 4 square plus 24 into, this is what? A vector a dot b vector b. What is that? Minus 6 we got, which is equals to root of 16 into 9 plus 9 into 16 minus 144, which is equals to root of 144 plus 144 minus 144. These two get cancelled, it remains 144, which is equals to 12. Therefore, mod vector 4a vector plus 3 vector b is equals to 12. Understood? Why we did this? Understood? Here we are not having any vectors means I cap, j cap, k cap, that we it is not given in this question. So how to find the value for this? Just what we did is, magnitude means we use the square root and the coefficients squares and the sum of them. So the same way we are doing here also. See, squares, and here 2ab formula. Okay, if you have any doubts, say that in the comment section. Not only in this topic, in any topic, if you have, say that in the comment section. I'll make it a separate video for you. Okay.